Hello students, in this video I'll explain social responsibility of business. These days the scale of measurement or evaluation of business is not as it used to be about 50 years ago. At that time only that business organization was considered good, which was earning profit for its owner. But today the situation has absolutely changed. Today the responsibility of business is not limited to its owner, but it has assumed larger dimensions. Business has to look towards the interest of many other parties like suppliers, government, community, even the world, employees, consumer. So the responsibility of business, which includes the satisfaction of these parties along with the owner, is called the social responsibility of business. To summarize, we can say that social responsibility of business enterprise means the obligation of business towards various parties of the societies. The various parties of societies include customers, employee, government, community, etc. It refers to its obligation to take those decisions and perform those actions which are desirable in terms of the objectives and value of our society. Means to do business, to operate business in such a way which is helpful in achieving the objectives and value of society. Some people say that business should assume social responsibility, whereas some say that business does not have any social responsibility as the main motive of business is to earn profit. Now we will study some of the arguments in favor of social responsibility of business and arguments against the social responsibility of business. First of all, I'll discuss arguments for social responsibility. Actually, the social responsibility of business provides justification for existence and growth of business. Though profit motive is an important justification for undertaking business activity, but still we can't ignore the service to society. The prosperity and growth of business is possible only through continuous service to the society. Only those business will be unable to earn the profit who are providing service to the society. So fulfilling the social responsibility is necessary for the existence and growth of business. Also, the people who are in favor of social responsibility says that it is in the long-term interest of the firm to assume social responsibility, because the organization which serves the society can survive in the long run. Although the firm which is earning high profit may earn profit in the short run, but if we talk about the long run, only those firms will survive in market which serve the society as well. And people also say that, who are in favor of social responsibility, that for avoiding the government regulation, it is better that the business itself assume the social responsibility. Businessmen can avoid the problem of government regulations by voluntarily assuming social responsibility, which help to reduce the need for new laws. Next point in favor of social responsibility is maintenance of society. You see, students, law cannot be passed for all possible circumstances. People who feel that they are not getting their due from the business may resort to anti-social activities, not necessarily governed by law. This may in fact harm the interest of business itself. Therefore, it is desirable that the business enterprise should assume social responsibility. Next point in favor of social responsibility is availability of resources with business. We see that the business operates in a society. Business gets everything from the society. Business gets raw material from the society. It gets employees, that is human resource, from the society. It gets infrastructure from the society. So doesn't it become its responsibility to give something back to the society? That's why it should assume social responsibility, because business is taking everything from the society, then it becomes its responsibility to give something back to the society. Next point in favor is converting problems into opportunities. Related with the above argument, that is availability of resources with business, the business with its glorious history of converting risky situation into profitable deals can not only solve social problems, but it can also make them effectively useful by accepting the challenges. It is the duty of business to convert problem into opportunities. Like the prevailing situation of corona, that is a problem for society, but it is turning into business opportunity also. You see the business of sanitizer maker has shooten up. Next point in favor of social responsibility is better environment for doing business. If business is to operate in a society which is full of diverse and complicated problems, it may have little chances of success. Therefore, it is argued that the business system should do something to meet needs before it is confronted with the situation when its own survival is endangered due to enormous social illnesses. Next point in favor of social responsibility is holding business responsible for social problems. It is argued that some of the social problems have either been created or perpetuated by business enterprises themselves. For example, environmental pollution, corruption in public institutions, discriminatory practices in unemployment are some of these problems. And it is the moral obligation of business to get involved in solving these problems, instead of merely expecting that other social agencies will deal with them on their own. It is the responsibility of business that problem which is created by it should be solved by itself. Now there are some people who are against social responsibility, who says that it is not the responsibility of business to serve the society, and they provide the following arguments. Say that the violation, that assuming social responsibility violate the profit maximization objective. According to this argument, business exists only for profit maximization. The main motive of business is to earn profit. So if we talk about social responsibility, it is against that objective of profit motive. In fact, business can best fulfill social responsibility if it maximizes profit through increased efficiency and reduced cost. And if it get involved in fulfilling the social responsibility, it will not be able to maximize its profit. So the social responsibility objectives violate the profit maximization objective, which is the main objective of the any business organization. Next point against social responsibility is burden on consumer. It is argued that the social responsibilities like pollution control and environmental protection, these are very costly and often require huge financial investments. In such circumstances, businessmen are likely to simply shift this burden of social responsibility by charging high prices from their consumer instead of bearing it themselves. Therefore, it is unfair to tax the consumer in the name of social responsibility. Mean to say that whatever business do for the society, it charges that money from the customer. It is the customer who pays directly or indirectly for the social responsibility. Another argument against social responsibility is lack of social skills. All social problems cannot be solved the way business problems are solved. Businessmen have business mind with them. They are not able to solve the social problem. They do not have the necessary training to solve the social problem. According to this argument, social problems should be solved by the specialized agencies. And it also lacks broad public support. The argument is that the public in general does not like business involvement or interference in social programs. Therefore, business cannot operate successfully because of lack of public confidence and cooperation in solving social problems.